Hi, in this video let me talk you a bit about Git hooks. What does it exactly mean? So in Git you have an option to add a lot of automated checks to your repository, both on client and remote side. So if you open your Git repository and go inside this .git hidden directory, there you have a directory called hooks, and here you see a list of files. And their name is pretty chatty. So for example, apply patch message.simple. If you open it in text editor, you have here a nice explanation that this is a hook script which checks the commit log message taken by apply a patch from an email message. Well, crazy. Or let me check another one. My favorite one is the commit message one. Yeah. An example hook script to check the commit log message called by git commit with one argument, the name of the file that has the commit message. The hook should exit with non-zero status after issuing an appropriate message if it wants to stop the commit. The hook is allowed to edit the commit message file. Okay, so what it means practically. So you can set up a script, or it doesn't necessarily need to be a script, but you can set up a checker for the commit message. For example, what if you want to connect the commit messages to some tickets, and it's mandatory in the project to have like a ticket number in the commit message. Here you can implement a code which checks it. And this gets the commit message as a parameter. You can implement here the check itself, and you can like return 1, 0 or anything else up to that if the commit message is appropriate or not. And if not, then it won't allow you to commit your changes. With that dedicated commit message, you will get like an error message. How to do it then? So here you see several hooks for different cases. I think the names are telling what they are about. Like it checks something before rebasing, before pushing, and so on and so forth. But yeah, let's concentrate on this commit message now. So you can see all of them has this extension .sample. In order to make them effective, you should remove this .sample extension. Now I remove, so if I commit now from this repository, this script will run. If it returns 0, everything's fine, I will be able to commit. If it returns 1, it won't be effective. Instead of, so not, by default they are bash scripts, but it's also possible to use any other kind of scripts, Python, whatever you want, or I could also save here random binary files written, implemented in C++ or whatever else with the name of commit message, then it would run, and that's it. There is one more thing, that so this .git folder is for one repository. I mean, if you clone this repository, these hooks you saved here are not effective there. Of course, there are solutions like to use like soft links and redirect these files or this directory to another one which is already tracked by Git. Then you can make you can create hooks which are effective for all the repositories. That's something I also wanted to mention. So that's what I wanted to tell you about commit hooks. Thanks for watching.